Looking for smoother shifts, less heat, less vibration, and well, a longer lasting differential and transaxle transmission? Today, my name's Eben. We're on synthetic oil protection. We're talking about another great AMSOIL product. This right here is the 100% synthetic. This is what they call manual transaxle gear lube. So this is used for all different components, from differentials, transmissions, and there's all different types of transmissions this actually takes. Manual transmissions to some of these automated type of automatic transaxle styles. This meets all the major specifications for the GL-4 specification, which is very well known. And there's the exact logo, GL-4. And what this is going to do is it's 100% synthetic, so it's going to put a very high film between that metal. You're going to have less concussion when you go ahead and hit between shifts and letting on and off the gas. So if you want less kind of slop out of your diff, a little less slop out of your transmission, you're definitely going to want to get this. It's going to feel a lot smoother. Highly recommend buying it and getting it at syntheticoilprotection.net. That would allow me to be your independent AMSOIL dealer, so I can answer all your questions with all these great AMSOIL products here on 24 days of AMSOIL protection. And also, ask me a question down below or give me a call. I'm one of these guys here on YouTube that your AMSOIL guy even, you can actually call me. So I had someone call me the other day and they go, man, I can't believe you actually picked up. So give me a buzz, 702-472-3614. All the info is down in the description section down below, and we will see you back on the next video right here. Check this one out.